Hey, writers and muse daters. Here I am outside London, about to hop a train into London for an adventure today. And I was thinking about adventures in general and the risk that we take on a day-to-day basis. And I was thinking about some of the writers that I just had the pleasure to write with last week on the coast of England here, and how they talked about how glad they were that they took the risk, that they did this thing, that they jumped into something that they weren't quite sure what it was going to look like or how it was going to be exactly, but that the value they got out of it was actually far more than they ever could have imagined. And that was really gratifying for me to see them take that risk and to really jump into that experience and get so much out of it. So I'm just here to ask you today, are you ready to take that risk? Are you willing to take that risk to get your writing to the next level? Because if you're not, then you're never going to get to the place where you need to go. So you'll be seeing some posts from me and from Amanda and from Andy about the upcoming retreat that we have in the Rocky Mountains. We'll be there for 5 days, luxury accommodation, 5-star meals, full accommodating spa. Accredited spa is what I meant to say, and we're gonna have a great time. So if you're ready to take the risk in your writing, if you're ready for that adventure, let's have a chat. You can reach me at www.datewiththemuse.com/book-a-call. I have limited sessions to talk with you if you'd like to apply to write with us in the Rockies, if you're ready for the next step, for the next part of the adventure in living the author lifestyle.